Here we have a starter clutch rebuild on an 84, 83, 84, 85, 86 V65 Magna and Sabre. This is a Sabre, but everything's going to be the same. First thing you need to do is remove your clutch and starter clutch cover. Remove all the bolts all the way around. What I do, this one back here is difficult to get to. I loosen the mounting bolt on the other side, so this will just pivot out of place and I can get a socket on there. It's a lot faster than trying to get an open-end wrench on there and wrestling with it. But when you pull it off, this is what it's going to look like. These bolts are obviously already loose for the purpose of this. If you have air, an impact wrench, put it on here, it'll zip it right out. The factory Honda manual tells you to buy that special tool. Take off your stator cover to hold the engine still. But again, if you have an impact, take it right off. If you don't have an impact wrench, get a set of needle nose vice grips and a penny and wedge it in your gears as you need to tighten and loosen that starter bolt. These are your starter clutch bolts. Again, these have already been loosened. If yours are this loose when you take your cover off, you've got big problems. Next, this gear is going to want to come out. Pull the pin. This slides right out. Now, you need to remove your starter clutch. I'm going to hand the phone to my son Lincoln. Lincoln, hold on to that and videotape what I'm doing with my hands here. This is your starter clutch. Your plate lifts right off. Now again, for the purpose of this, this is what we're going to be replacing. These two are empty. I've already taken them out. Again, if yours looks like this when you first open it up, you have bigger problems than your starter clutch. This is nothing but a roller bulb that will come right out. You have a good shot of that? Mm-hmm. This is what you're going to be replacing. Let me see the phone real quick. You need 3 of each. These are the part numbers you need. And of course you're going to need a new gasket for your engine case. When you pull it out, take your new spring and the cap. Got a good shot of that? Put your cap on there, and there's little holes. Slide them down in there. You getting this? Okay. Take your new rollers. It'll probably be easier to do that, put that together down here with everything together. Use a small screwdriver, anything that'll hold that pin back. That spring will collapse inside the holes. That last one's fighting me. There we go. This is what you have. Starter clutch was rebuilt. Needle bearings. Oops. There's a washer right here. You shut it out. There's a washer right there that'll just stay on. Oh. You have your back gear, your needle bearings. What you haven't seen is I took some electrical contact cleaner and I sprayed the inside of these threads out. Before I torque them to spec, I'm going to put some Loctite on there. This is cut for the gears on your starter or your secondary. You can see there's a little dot right there. There's also a dot right there. I'm going to line those two up. There's a tooth off. There we go. Starter clutch is rebuilt. I already have everything. My torque wrench is set. This is red. You can use blue, whatever color you want to use. Just going to put a drop on there. Anyway, I need to get the right socket for that, the right drive for it. I'm going to show you a little trick for putting this gear in. We can come around here so you can get a good shot of this. This gear can be tricky to put in. It rides on your starter drive and up in here. It will rotate up, back and forth. I get it in there, put the pin in, rotate the gear up, push the pin home. It's a lot easier than trying to wrestle with it. Anyway, get all that. This gets torqued to, I think, about 70 foot-pounds, about 24 foot-pounds. New gasket, put your cover back on. That's it. Easy as that. Everything's rebuilt. Hope this helps.